For homeowners in Texarkana, property value isn't just about square footage, it's about functionality, comfort, and how well a home meets modern expectations. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to invest wisely in your home, full-service home remodeling is one of the most effective ways to boost value while improving everyday living. What does full-service home remodeling mean? Full-service home remodeling goes beyond one-off upgrades. Instead of replacing just a countertop or repainting a single room, it takes a comprehensive approach to improving your home. This can include kitchens, bathrooms, living spaces, flooring, custom woodwork, storage solutions, and even structural updates, all planned and executed as one cohesive project. In Texarkana's competitive housing market, this holistic approach matters. Buyers aren't just looking for a nice kitchen anymore. They want a home that feels updated, efficient, and thoughtfully designed from room to room. Increased market appeal to local buyers. Texarkana buyers often prefer move-in ready homes. A fully remodeled property stands out immediately because it removes uncertainty. When buyers see modern layouts, consistent finishes, and quality craftsmanship throughout the home, they're more confident making stronger offers. Full-service remodeling ensures that design styles, materials, and finishes flow together. This consistency creates a polished look that feels intentional rather than pieced together over time, an important factor that directly influences perceived value. Higher return on investment, ROI. Strategic remodeling projects consistently rank among the top improvements for return on investment. Kitchens and bathrooms, in particular, are major value drivers. When these spaces are updated as part of a full-service plan, homeowners often see better returns than with isolated renovations. In Texarkana, homes with upgraded layouts, improved storage, and custom features tend to appraise higher. Buyers recognize quality work and are often willing to pay more for homes that won't require additional renovations after purchase. Improved functionality and livability. Property value isn't just about resale, it's also about how enjoyable the home is to live in. Full-service remodeling improves flow, storage, lighting, and overall usability. Open layouts, custom cabinetry, built-ins, and smart space planning can make even modest-sized homes feel larger and more functional. These improvements matter to appraisers and buyers alike. A home that lives well feels more valuable, even if the square footage stays the same. Energy efficiency and modern standards. Older homes in Texarkana often benefit from updates that improve efficiency, such as better insulation, modern windows, updated fixtures, and improved ventilation. Full-service remodeling allows these upgrades to be integrated seamlessly rather than added as afterthoughts. Energy-efficient homes appeal to today's buyers because they reduce long-term costs. While these improvements may not always be immediately visible, they contribute significantly to overall property value and buyer confidence. Professional execution makes the difference. The success of a remodeling project depends heavily on planning, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. Working with a trusted local professional ensures that upgrades align with Texarkana market expectations and building standards. Companies like 3 Masters Woodworks LLC, Texarkana Remodeling Company specialize in full-service remodeling that balances aesthetics, durability, and value. Their experience with custom woodwork and whole-home renovations helps homeowners make smart choices that enhance both beauty and long-term worth. A smart investment for Texarkana homeowners. Full-service home remodeling is more than an upgrade, it's a strategic investment. By improving design, function, efficiency, and craftsmanship throughout the home, homeowners in Texarkana can significantly increase property value while enjoying a better living experience. Whether you're preparing to sell or planning to stay for years, a well-executed full-service remodel delivers lasting benefits that go far beyond surface-level improvements.